Throw them into the shower drain, and the result will surprise you. First, remove the plug from the shower tray and take out the drain part. Every shower has a different drain. Here, you just need to unscrew it. Clean it from any hair if there is any. Thoroughly clean the drain in the shower tray with a sponge. Use warm water and plenty of dish soap. Scrub away all the grime. Soak the drain parts in water with baking soda and wash them. Then pour a liter of vinegar into a kettle and heat it up. Go back to the bathroom. Throw 2 aspirin tablets into the drain and pour vinegar over them. You'll hear bubbling and see foam. Now, boil water in the kettle and pour it down the drain. The hot water will flush the pipes, eliminating any clogs and unpleasant odors. That's enough to make the drain flow freely again. Reassemble the drain with the plug and enjoy a clean shower. This way, the problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. Place the shower head into a plastic bag. For this trick, you'll need a regular plastic bag. Put it in the sink and fold it to form a pouch. Then grab some toothpaste and squeeze a generous amount into the bag. Add baking soda on top of the toothpaste and pour in about 300 milliliters of vinegar. You'll notice a chemical reaction happening. This clever use of natural ingredients works wonders. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a nice scent. It's an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Tie the bag around the shower head, making sure it's fully submerged in the liquid. Leave it for 30 minutes, and you'll find the bag filled with bits of limescale. The mixture of these ingredients helps break down tough limescale deposits. This simple method will deeply clean your shower, preventing limescale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. Plus, it's inexpensive and easy to make at home. You've never cleaned your shower this thoroughly before. This trick will help you clean your bathroom, especially the shower, quickly and efficiently. I guarantee it'll look like new. Grab a few cleaning cloths and cut them into thinner strips using scissors. Now, prepare a bowl. Pour in some vinegar. It has disinfecting and cleaning properties, doesn't leave streaks, and kills bacteria. Add enough to fully soak all the cloth pieces. Let them sit in the vinegar for a few minutes to absorb it well. Take the soaked cloths to the bathroom, specifically to the shower. Step inside and place the cloths all around, squeezing out the vinegar as you go. This will help break down limescale and dirt. Leave them on for a few minutes to boost their cleaning power. The best part? You can wash and reuse the cloths after every cleaning. Your bathroom will shine like never before. You'll quickly notice the surfaces becoming spotless and shiny. In no time, they'll look brand new. Stop overpaying for expensive services when the solution is already in your bathroom. Start by placing a regular mesh strainer in the sink. Squeeze a generous amount of toothpaste onto it. Then pour in a good amount of vinegar. Watch as the fizzy reaction begins. This natural combo works wonders on stubborn buildup that often blocks water flow. Unscrew the shower head from the hose and place it in a plastic bag, making sure it's fully submerged in the mixture. Secure the mesh with a rubber band so it stays in place. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Wondering why this trick matters? Here's why. After the time is up, screw the shower head back on, remove the mesh, and turn on the water. The solution will have dissolved the limescale buildup inside. As a result, your shower pressure could increase by up to 4 bars in just 5 to 10 minutes. No plumber needed. Try it once and you'll notice the difference instantly. Cleaner, stronger, and much more enjoyable than before. Place a metal kitchen scrubber on a water squeegee. It's a surprisingly useful trick. The metal scrubber is flexible and durable, perfect for reaching hard-to-access areas. Take a metal scrubber and carefully attach it to the rubber edge of the squeegee, ensuring it's securely fixed so it doesn't slip off. This hack makes cleaning much easier. Let me show you how I clean my shower cabin with this tool. After spraying the glass doors and base with your chosen cleaning solution, start using the squeegee with the attached scrubber. Gently glide it over the glass doors and shower base. These areas often accumulate stubborn limescale and residue. The metal scrubber effectively removes dirt, while the rubber edge protects surfaces from scratches. With this simple trick, your shower cabin will shine with cleanliness. The metal scrubber tackles tough grime, and the Squeegee allows for precise and easy maneuvering. Clean your shower with this paper, and limescale won't settle for 2 weeks. You'll thank me for this trick. Your shower will look brand new, and it's completely free. The best part? No need for expensive detergents or harsh chemicals. All you need is regular baking paper from your kitchen. Take a piece of baking paper, dampen it slightly under running water, and crumple it into a ball. Use it to scrub the glass. Within moments, all the dirt will disappear, and the surface will shine. The difference between the cleaned and untouched sides is unbelievable. Forget wasting money on pricey glass cleaners. Baking paper does the trick. This simple method not only saves money, but is also environmentally friendly. Your bathroom will sparkle, and you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Give it a go, and enjoy a shower cabin that looks as good as new. This pink liquid is a real miracle. Cleaning the house has never been so enjoyable. Take a glass jar and pour in 100 milliliters of alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, while the alcohol helps evaporate moisture, preventing streaks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Finally, pour in 3 cups of water to dilute the solution. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients thoroughly. This pink cleaner is excellent for tackling stubborn limescale in bathrooms. It works well on countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even glass. It provides effective cleaning while being gentle on surfaces. Attach a sanitary pad to your shower head. It will save you a lot of time. It turns out it has a hidden use in the bathroom. Take a measuring cup and pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix thoroughly. Unfold the sanitary pad without removing its protective backing. Soak it generously with the vinegar mixture. Sanitary pads are made from highly absorbent material, so they can hold a lot of liquid. Next, take the shower head. Mineral deposits from water build up inside, making it difficult to clean the small channels. This reduces water flow and leaves a lot of residue. Instead of scrubbing the shower head, place it on the sanitary pad. Secure it on top and leave it for a few hours. The pad will keep it moist during this time. The vinegar will dissolve the mineral deposits on the surface and inside. Your shower head will work like new again, without any scrubbing or washing. The sanitary pad does the job for you.